Now big question for you, what is this theta? Theta is the acute angle in the right triangle included between base and hypotenuse. So at point C, whatever angle is formed has to be mentioned by theta. If I take the ratio of base and hypotenuse, it is the another ratio. This ratio of the base and hypotenuse, the value of this ratio in the trigonometry is known as the second trigonometric ratio cos theta. If I take the ratio of base and perpendicular, this ratio in the trigonometry, its name is tan theta. Now, three ratios I have obtained. A triangle has only three sides. To obtain the ratio, I need two at a time. So, how many ratios are possible? 3 into 2, that is 6 ratios are possible. We have three sides, we need two sides to find the ratio at a time. So, what is coming out to be? 6 ratios. 3 ratios I have written: perpendicular upon hypotenuse, known as sin theta; base upon hypotenuse, cos theta; perpendicular upon base, tan theta. If I go to calculate the hypotenuse upon perpendicular, hypotenuse upon perpendicular is another ratio which is reciprocal of the P upon H. Name of the perpendicular in the trigonometric language is the opposite side. Name of the base in the trigonometry is the adjacent side, and name of the hypotenuse in the trigonometry is the longest side. So this ratio of the hypotenuse upon perpendicular is known as cosec theta. The name of reciprocal of the ratio of the cos is hypotenuse upon base is the sec theta, whereas the name of the reciprocal of P upon H, that is B upon P. Reciprocal of P upon B is B upon P. It is known as the cot theta. So one more thing I would like to make you clear. In trigonometry, there are only 6 trigonometric ratios. Reason for this, that why in trigonometry are only 6 trigonometric ratios, is very clear. A triangle has 3 angles, a triangle has 3 sides, a triangle has 3 vertices, a triangle has 6 parts. 6 parts of the triangle are to be known as 3 sides and 3 angles. From this discussion, it is clear that sine is exactly reciprocal of cosec, cos is reciprocal of sec, and tan is reciprocal of cot. And also clear, no 7th ratio is possible, because maximum ratios we can develop is this much only. So we can relate here. What is sin theta? Sin theta is reciprocal of cosec. So we can write sin theta is equals to 1 upon cosec theta. We can write cosec theta is equals to 1 upon sin theta. We can write cos theta is equals to 1 upon sec theta. Also we can write sec theta is equals to 1 upon cos theta. We can say tan theta is equals to 1 upon cot theta. We can say cot theta is 1 upon tan theta. So in trigonometry, how many ratios are possible? 6. Why only 6? A triangle has 3 sides. To obtain a ratio, we need 2. So 3 into 2, only 6 ratios. What are the names of these ratios? Sin theta, cos theta, tan theta, cosec theta, sec theta, cot theta. What is the relation of the reciprocal ratios? Sin is reciprocal of cosec, cosec is reciprocal of sin. Cos is reciprocal of sec, sec is reciprocal of cos. Tan is reciprocal of cot, and cot is reciprocal of tan. Now, one important result in this trigonometry, we say tan theta is equals to sin theta upon cos theta, and cot theta is equals to cos theta upon sin theta. So this much about the trigonometric ratios is required. Now we will discuss with you the complementary angles of the trigonometry.